guys, you probably can't see me, but it's 3 a.m. My dad is up for some reason, but I heard really weird noises. Like someone was walking up the stairs, and I saw my door like creak open a little bit. That freaked me out. Never mind. I'm hearing things, and I had to hide somewhere. I didn't know where to hide, so this was the baddest place ever because it was tying me up, and I had to move around. If someone was really there, I would get caught. Scared to death. I was hiding. Oh, did you guys see me that time? Anyways, I was hiding right on this side of my bed on my left. Like, I don't know what to do. I was hiding right there, just in case anyone came. I heard some more footsteps. Like, it sounded like it was coming into my room. Then that's when I heard the footsteps, like, walking down the steps. It freaked me out. Then I realized it was just my dad. My brother and my mom are in my room right now. But ever since that, before that, my dad came back downstairs. It's been really creepy. Been hearing weird noises. It was probably just in my head, but I swear I saw my door creak open a little. And I heard something really weird happening. That happened. All my friends say that ghost, this is the devil hour. It's actually 3:20. It's actually the devil hour. And they say weird stuff happens. I didn't really think that was true. You know how you think one thing but you think another at the same time? That's kinda how I feel, but I thought that they were right really more. So I was like, since I didn't figure it out so sooner before they told me that, I might as well check it out. So I just set my alarm. That's really quiet because I didn't want anyone to wake up. To 3 a.m. and I woke up and I heard weird noises. I don't know why it's not happening. Maybe because my dad's not here. Maybe I'm talking to you guys. But ever since then, it's been really weird. You know how the new movie is coming out? A Quiet Place? It's kind of like that. When I, had to use the restroom, bathroom, because there's a bathroom too. Bathroom, when I flushed the toilet, that's when it started happening. I just wanted to go to my friends and have a sleepover, but I had something to do, and I just couldn't go. They